Hi, I'm Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make stickers. Now, if you've been following my Heyday series, you may have already seen that I did a sticker video previously, but that one was just kind of off the cuff, and so today I wanted to bring you a little bit more of a refined tutorial. DIY stickers can be relatively easy and inexpensive to make. You need only a handful of materials, most of which you probably already have on hand. To make these stickers, you're going to need a sticker design. You can draw or print your designs, doesn't matter which way you go. Now these Happy Little Foods Brian designed, and if you like them, he's actually selling some products with these cute little foods in his Etsy store. He has some leggings, I'm wearing them at the moment, but I don't know if you really can see these, but they are adorable. They've got these cute little foods all over them, so you can find them in his Etsy store. I will link to that below. You also need a glue stick, some packing tape, and lastly you're going to need some parchment paper or some wax paper or both. Now for this tutorial we're going to be using both, but you can actually use one or the other. It just makes some parts of the process a little bit easier if you use parchment paper and others easier if you use wax paper. To begin this project you're going to first cut out your sticker designs, which I've already gone ahead and done. Next you're going to take your sheet of parchment paper or wax paper, and we're going to take our packing tape. And we're just going to cut off a really long strip of packing tape that's about as long as the parchment paper. Once you have your strip of packing tape, you're just going to lay it down on the parchment paper like this. And if the strip you cut off is too long, you can just take some scissors and trim off the excess. Now that we have our packing tape stuck down to our parchment paper, the next thing we're going to want to do is start gluing our stickers on. So we're just going to take the glue stick and put a little bit of glue on the back of our stickers. You don't have to coat them very well. This is just enough to kind of hold them in place when we put a second layer of tape down over top. So if you have really big stickers, you may have to use multiple strips of packing tape to affix your stickers. This soda right here is almost too big. I think it's going to work okay for these purposes, but anything bigger than that and you would want a second piece of packing tape so that your sticker can be adhesive all over. And you want to make sure to leave a little bit of a gap between your stickers as you're laying them down, so that when you go to cut them out there'll be room around the edge. Once you have your stickers glued down, you're going to take a second strip of packing tape and tape over the top of these first stickers. So you're just going to lay it directly over the top. And again, I'm going to cut off a strip of packing tape that's a little bit bigger than what I ultimately need, just so that I can make sure to cover the whole strip. And since my stickers are so large, I'm going to have to very carefully overlap them. If you have smaller stickers, you won't have to be as precise with this step. But I want to make sure that my stickers are pretty well covered, so I'm going to lay the two pieces of packing tape almost directly atop each other. And that's pretty close. And you're going to smooth it down. Again, our packing tape is a little bit longer than our parchment paper, so we're going to go ahead and cut the edges off so it doesn't stick to the table. So now we have our two layers of packing tape secured on our stickers. The next step is going to be to cut out the stickers. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to cut around the edges, leaving some space around the edge of each sticker. So I'm just going to cut this one out very roughly first. And we're going to go around the edge, and we need to leave some extra space around the edge, otherwise the two layers of tape could peel apart. So it doesn't have to be a ton of space, but you do need a little bit of excess around the edge. So now our first sticker is cut out, and we're just going to repeat that process with the rest of the stickers. Okay, so now we have all of our individual stickers cut out. And if you have a particular project that you're planning on using this for, then this is the point where you can just start peeling them off and sticking them on. However, if you want to build a sticker sheet, we're going to need to do one extra thing, and this is where the wax paper comes into play. So the great thing about the parchment paper is that the stickers don't really stick to it. So if I just go ahead and take one of my stickers, I just peel back, and the parchment paper comes right off. And then I can just stick down my sticker. The downside though is if you're trying to build a sticker sheet, which I've done before, when you use parchment paper, the stickers don't really stick. So we're going to be using wax paper for building our sticker sheet. The disadvantage to using wax paper is that the stickers don't peel up nearly as easily, so you may need an implement to help you peel them up. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wax paper and lay down the stickers. And again, the wax paper is going to be a little bit hard to peel the stickers off of. So if you see it takes a little bit more pull, it does come up, but it's a little bit harder. So just be aware of that. So now the last thing we need to do for our sticker sheet is just cut off the excess wax paper, and then we'll be done. And here is our completed sticker sheet. And now you have your very own stickers. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, then you may want to subscribe. I don't have a ton of videos up, but I'm slowly trying to build some. If you like crafts, you can check out my craft blog, amberscraftweek.blogspot.com, which I'll link to below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.